sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.